Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I have some cool goo for you. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please do hit that subscribe button, help me out, and then if you thought this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share away. Alright, so today's product is by a company called LeoGlint, and as you can see, it's this very colorful gel. They call it the high-tech cleaning gel. I bought this for my car, but it's kind of hard to film in there, so I'm going to show you how it works on your keyboard. But you can basically use this all over the place, wherever you have dirt and dust and grime that you want to basically clean up. So what's in it? It has a disinfectant, a preservative, aloe vera, some vinyl alcohol, glycerin, and then flavoring, which is the smell. And it does mention, which I haven't had this happen, but it does mention that it can turn into a liquid if it gets a lot of bacteria in it, because it is decomposable. And so you may want to use it in small chunks, and then you can continue to use it until it basically turns dirty looking or basically turns into a liquid. So how it works is you just pull it open and you kind of pull out what you need. It's like it'll remind you back of childhood and silly putty. And once you get off the chunk that you need, so I'm just going to get this little bit. It's very slimy, and then you kind of just roll it over what you want to clean. Make sure it gets in all those little nooks and crannies. Now, why I bought this for my car is because, you know, one of those hard places to clean is the vents and AC vents and whatnot, and then kind of with the cup holders and things like that. And it works really good. You just get it in there, and then it gets all the debris and the dirt and the gunk. And as you can see, it's not leaving a residue. It's not even leaving the keyboard wet. Every once in a while a chunk falls off, so you just kind of go back over it and it'll grab it up again. And that's kind of it. It's really cool. And it works really well at capturing the dust and the grime per se. So if you're looking for an easy way to clean those nooks and crannies, you may want to check this stuff out and give it a try. So that's basically it. If you want to hit me up in the comments, feel free, and I do typically respond. I'll let you know how it continues to go. And then I'll also include a link in the description of where you can buy this. You can pick it up on Amazon or I'm sure some other stores. So that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.